Get your solar glasses ready. An incredible annular solar eclipse is coming. On October 2nd, parts of North and South America will be treated to a spectacular celestial show, an annular solar eclipse. Picture this. The moon passes in front of the sun but doesn't fully cover it, creating a stunning ring of fire. If you're in the path of annularity, stretching from Texas to Maine, you'll see this phenomenon at its best with up to 5 minutes of jaw-dropping views. Not in the path? No worries. You'll still catch a partial eclipse where the moon partially covers the sun. But remember, safety first. Looking directly at the sun, even during an eclipse, can seriously damage your eyes. Always use proper eye protection like solar eclipse glasses or a solar filter. So, mark your calendars and get your gear ready for this once-in-a-lifetime experience. Happy sky gazing, everyone!